I'm Gary Salvner, co-chair of the English Festival Committee, and I want to welcome you to the Festival Awards ceremony. Those of you who are veterans of the festival know that we all gather in the Chestnut Room at the end of each day, everybody screaming and cheering for students who've accomplished themselves. And I hope you can kind of scream and cheer in your own way while you're listening to some names called. Before we read the names of the winners, I wanted to make a couple of important announcements. First, if there are sessions that you didn't get to see today, check out your YouTube channel. Many of our YouTube channel, we've got an English Festival YouTube channel. Many of the author presentations and insight sessions will be posted on the channel soon. Second, we're delighted to announce news about our 44th annual English Festival next year. You know that we always do this at awards. We're hoping to have you back on campus then, and we're planning a warm welcome for you. First, the dates. The 2022 YSU English Festival will be held on April 6th, 7th, and 8th. And we're pleased to announce that our Thomas and Carol Gay Memorial Lectures will be young adult authors Candace Fleming and Joe Knowles. And our James Houck lecturer will be graphic novelist Gareth Hines. I think you will enjoy all three of them a great deal. Watch the English Festival website for further information about this exciting event. Quick note for teachers, please remember that our new arrangements for the English Festival Writing Award for Teachers are posted on the website. Entries aren't due until August 15th, which means you'll have the summer to work on a piece. You might use your own experiences during this extraordinary year of trying to find a new way of teaching and interacting with your students, of interacting with them before, after, and during the festival. Additional information, again, is available on our website. Please consider entering. We'd love to hear your entries. Teachers also, please remember the Western Reserve of Ohio Teachers of English event on Thursday night, starting at 6 p.m. for teachers and adults and librarians. Join us to celebrate the English Festival and to hear our distinguished visiting author, and Ruta will be with us again to talk about her work and the importance of historical fiction in the classroom. This event is reserved for teachers, librarians, and adults. You should have received a flyer with a link, and if for some reason you didn't, please send one of us an email and we'll be sure that you get it. Finally, very importantly, we want to acknowledge some of our very generous contributors for 2022. I want to particularly mention a couple of grand benefactors today, the Bruce R. and Nancy W. Beagley Family Foundation and the Warren P. Williamson Jr. Fund. We graciously appreciate all of our donors. A full list of all the 2021 contributors will appear in our Festival of Writing publication in the fall. Now it's time to call out some names of today's English Festival prize winners. Ruta Cepedas again is with us, and she's going to begin by announcing the winners to the art contest. And then we'll stay around to cheer with the rest of us. And also appearing will be some of the other members of the festival committee, and I'll let them quickly introduce themselves as we begin. I do want to note to the rest of the committee, I don't have the list in front of me, so I hope you all do. And somebody perhaps needs to read the second contest, the music contest, because for some reason I've misplaced it. And so if you would jump in to do that. But we'd like to begin with Ruta, who will announce the winners of the art contest.
I feel so fortunate to do this. Thank you for this opportunity to celebrate all of you. First category of honorable mention, receiving a t-shirt and a pin will be Gabrielle Chahine from Cardinal Mooney High School. Woohoo! Alexa Marie Beck from Greenville Junior Senior High School. Chloe Mershimer from Cardinal Mooney High School. Ava Formani from Armstrong Junior Senior High School. Olivia Shaw from Niles McKinley High School. Those are our honorable mentions. So next is third prize. We have one third prize winner who receives $50, a t-shirt, and a pin. The third prize winner is Olivia DeCesar from Cardinal Mooney High School. Super exciting. I'm so excited. This is so great. Second prize, we have one second prize winner receiving $75, a t-shirt, and a pin. Second prize goes to Katie Fang at Grove City Senior High School. And we have one first prize winner. And the winner gets $100, a t-shirt and a pin. Amazing. Okay, and the first prize winner is Kellen Davis Hall from Niles McKinley High School. Woo! Congratulations to all of you.
I did get the winners for the music contest. This is a contest that's done in advance. A competition created in honor of my son, Jeremy, and he was a lover of music and would be delighted at all of the wonderful pieces of music that have been created since this contest began, based on books on our festival list. There's a second prize winner today, and this person will receive $75, a special English Festival notebook, and an English Festival badge. That student is a student at Armstrong Junior Senior High School, Ava Formani. Hooray for Ava. And there's one first prize winner who will receive $100, a festival t-shirt and a pin. This is a student from Conneaut area senior high school, and it is Cameron Reel. Let's give a round of applause to both of those winners and to everyone who entered the music contest this year.
I am Jeff Buchanan, co-chair of the English Festival Committee, and I am reading the journalism winners. I was in the journalism session this morning with those of you who participated, with Molly Hardup and with Ruta Sepetys. And Ruta, your enthusiasm is wonderful. I wish we were together in the Chestnut Room. We had a number of participants all ask wonderful questions and then wrote a brief article based on their interviews of Ruta. And we have, it looks like 6 honorable mentions. And they are Jessica Crouch from Grand Valley High School, Autumn Burkett from Grove City High School, Sylvia Traw from Mineral Ridge High School, Emma Campbell from Rootstown High School, Alexis Mahaffey, Grand Valley High School, and Olivia De Cesar, Cardinal Mooney High School. Congratulations, honorable mentions in journalism workshop. There is a third prize winner. The third prize winner receives $50 in an English Festival t-shirt. And the third prize winner is from Conneaut area senior high school, Rebecca Grace Kavanaugh. Congratulations, Rebecca. The second prize winner in journalism workshop receives $75 and an English Festival t-shirt. You've seen perhaps a few people modeling those t-shirts. Rick Williams is on your screen with one of them. He's now standing up proudly. You'll receive one of those. Very nice, Rick. A future career for Rick. The second prize winner is from Greenville High School, Virginia Riddle. Congratulations, Virginia. And the first prize winner receives $100 and a festival t-shirt. And the first prize winner in journalism is Mia Bordenero from Heartland Christian. Congratulations, all.
All right, everyone, I think I'm up next. My name's Angela Messenger, and I am one of the co-chairs of the festival. And this always throws me off because you can see me big, right? Because on my screen, I still look little. And I'm like, wait, I'm not doing something right. Okay, so I have writing games. And so you were either in a track with me if you were participating as an individual, or with Dr. Salvner and Ron Fields if you were participating in a group from your school, from your home location today. But this was the only group team competition that we attempted to complete today. So I have winners for the 4th place team receiving $20 and a festival t-shirt. Drake Rittenhouse from Tenora, Emma Lindahl from Armstrong, and Cheyenne Salisbury from West Branch Local High School. Congratulations to the 4th place winners. In the 3rd place, Sarah Owens from Cardinal Mooney, Cherish Little from Cardinal Mooney, and Maureen Baker from Cardinal Mooney High School. Congratulations, the 3rd place team will receive $30 and festival t-shirts. The 2nd prize teams will receive $40 each and festival t-shirts. Congratulations to Aiden O'Brien from Mineral Ridge High School, Marina Sepulveda from Ursuline High School, Willow Keller from Austintown Fitch High School. And finally, our 1st place team. These students will each receive $50 and a festival t-shirt. So congratulations to Fisher Anderson from Grove City Senior High School, Ava Formani from Armstrong Junior Senior High School, and Jenna Faggart from Western Reserve High School. These are your Writing Games winners for 2021. Thank you all.
Hey, so earlier this morning, there were some participants who were in not so trivial pursuit sessions, and I heard that the competition was fierce and people were slightly irritated at how hard some of the questions were, and yet we have some winners. So here we go. We have 2 winners in each place, starting with 5th place. These people will win an English Festival badge. So congratulations, 5th place winners, Megan Brockway and Kristen Nuts. Congratulations, 5th place winners. 4th place winners, each person will receive an English Festival pin. So we have in 4th place, Sierra Tasik and Ava Wertz. So congratulations, 4th place winners. And these questions were tough, so this is awesome. 3rd place winners, each person who is in 3rd place will receive an English Festival notebook and a pin. So our 3rd place winners, Molly Haman and Amanda Bogus. Congratulations. 2nd place winners, each of these people will receive an English Festival shirt and a pin. So we have Amber Coral. And then we had a little problem with the name for the next person. The person jumped out of the session before we got the full last name. So we're going to have to track this person down. So this person is Christina, and we have the last name starts Dunkerel. So if you are that person, we will track you down, not to worry. And then our 1st place winners, here we go. 1st place wins an English Festival shirt, a notebook, and a pin. Congratulations, Olivia Jackson and Ronnie Lame. Great work.
And we have the Candace Gay Memorial Awards established by Professors Carol and Thomas Gay in memory of their daughter, Candace. This contest, of course, I think most of you know, is a pre-festival contest where we invite you to submit essays written in response to a prompt which we supply. And we had a number of entries this year as usual, and we have a number of prizes to give out. I will start and read the honorable mentions. We have 4 honorable mention winners. They each receive a Candace Gay Memorial Award finalist t-shirt. So that's a version of the t-shirt that Rick Williams is modeling, but it's fancier. It's an exclusive club, and only the Candace Gay Memorial Award winners get that t-shirt. And you get an English Festival pin. And the honorable mention winners are Cherish Little from Cardinal Mooney High School, Emma Lindahl from Armstrong Junior Senior High School, Molly Homan from Grove City High School, and Grace Fetty or Fett from Wilmington Area High School. Congratulations. There are also 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st place prize winners. And there is one winner for each of those prizes. And the 5th place prize winner receives $50, a Candace Gay Memorial Award t-shirt, and a pin. And the 5th place winner is Megan Ickes from Greenville Junior Senior High School. Congratulations, Megan. The 4th prize winner receives $100 and a Candace Gay Memorial Award t-shirt and a pin. And the 4th prize winner is Isabella Pinto from Grand Valley High School. The 3rd prize winner receives $150, a Candace Gay Memorial Award t-shirt and a festival pin. And the 3rd prize winner is Paige Gray from Grove City. Suspense is building now, right? Second prize wins $200, Candace Gay Memorial Award t-shirt and a pin. And the 2nd prize winner is from Mineral Ridge High School, and she is Sylvia Whitaker Traw. Congratulations, Sylvia. And we, of course, like to draw out the winner of this contest a little bit. If we were on the stage, you might remember, those of you who've been here before, we usually introduce the principal from your school who introduces the teacher of the student who wins the award. And we like to do that because we know that the winners don't, while writing can be a relatively isolating and sometimes maybe lonely activity, or at least we do it when often we're alone. Writers really do rely on others, and they get a lot of support and they get a lot of help from others. And of course, your teachers have been important supporters probably of your reading and writing. If you're here, they maybe encouraged you to come to the festival. And so we hope that they did, and we hope that at some point today you'll maybe send a message to your teacher or turn and say thank you. And we want to recognize Hickory High School today as the Candace Gay winner, and the teacher Roseanne Hoffman. Your student is the 1st prize winner. She will receive $250, a Candace Gay Memorial Award t-shirt and a pin, and she is Magdalena Rummelfanger. Congratulations, Magdalena. Congratulations, Ms. Hoffman. Congratulations, Hickory High School.
I'm going to just jump in once more to kind of wrap things up and to say thank you to everybody who's helped with the festival and done sessions, and to all of you students who were with us. I hope you've had a good day. Applause to you for doing all of the work to get here and all of the reading that you had to do to come. Thank you to your teachers who, as Jeff said, make all the difference in the world in really sharing this experience with you. We hope to have you back on campus next year. We'll see you at the festival in 2022. Thanks.